Are you tired of dealing with clutter and debris? Look no further than Big Dawg Dumpsters for all your waste management needs in Port Charlotte, Florida. Our cheap driveway dumpsters offer a budget-friendly solution to keep your property clean and organized. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, spring cleaning, or a large construction project, our dumpsters come in various sizes to accommodate your specific requirements. With our easy online booking at www.bigdawgfl.com and prompt delivery service, managing your waste has never been more convenient. Trust Big Dawg Dumpsters to provide efficient and affordable solutions, ensuring a hassle-free experience from start to finish. At Big Dawg Dumpsters, customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our team of professionals is dedicated to delivering exceptional service, making us the go-to choice for cheap driveway dumpsters, Port Charlotte, Florida. We understand the importance of timely and reliable service. We ensure our dumpsters are delivered and picked up at your convenience. With competitive pricing and a commitment to eco-friendly practices, Big Dawg Dumpsters is your trusted partner in maintaining a clean and safe environment. Call us today at 743-244-3294 or visit our website to learn more about our services and how we can assist with your next project.